dinner, fried chicken, and red, white, and blue salad.
Ooh, thank you, baby. It looks great.
Thank you.
Delicious.
Since it's 4th of July tomorrow, I made you beet salad with goat cheese. But I just added the blueberries, so be festive.
So you got blueberries for blue, goat cheese for the white, and then the red for the beets. So red, white, and blue.
Yeah.
Very cute, very creative. And this is goat cheese, correct?
Yes.
I actually really like goat cheese. It's got a very unique flavor. If you've never had goat cheese, definitely try it one day. Tastes very different than your traditional cow cheese.
Mix up the salad because I just drizzled it, kind of.
The dressing. Oh, we got a little bit of walnut in there too.
It's candied walnuts.
Mmm.
And the beets, I roasted it.
It's good. The beets are good too. The beets also have very like strong flavor, so I like the way you did them.
Thank you.
Real test is the fried chicken. Well, our skin is crispy. Let's try his meat here. It's juicy. Yeah. And glistening.
Thank you.
That is good. That's some good fried chicken.
It's good?
Cooked perfect.
I'm going to be posting this tomorrow for 4th of July.
Yeah? Yeah, you did a great job. It's perfect.
Thank you.
Only it's got a little red on there from the beets. It's good.
Good?
Very good. Excellent meal. Great job.
Thank you.